This is Father Jonathan Meyer, and we're going through 10 things that people are giving up for Lent in 2025. Number 10 was chocolate. Number 9 was procrastination. Number 8 was snacking. And number 7 is social media. I want to tell you, if there is something that you need to give up during Lent, it very possibly is social media. I've been so blessed over the years to do Exodus 90, and you are not allowed to be on social media during Exodus 90. And what you quickly realize, how much time you have. Oh my gosh, you give up your social media, you'll be like, I'm bored. You'll give up your social media and you'll be like, what am I supposed to be doing at work? Working, maybe? Yeah, so here's some tips if you want to give up social media. I think it's really important for you to actually find productive things to do with your time, because you're going to find out that you have a lot of time that you waste scrolling, okay? So I think like number 1, like get some good books. Make some decisions to say, I have some audiobooks or like a physical book. I'm going to listen to some podcasts. Those are all really, really positive things. When I give up social media, one thing that I need to do is I always need to find a friend who's going to be my news friend. So I have a few priest friends that I'll like call up when I have my phone conversations with my priest friends throughout the day. I'm like, can you tell me, is anything on fire, or did anybody die really important that I need to know about today? Because like social media, you do often get your news from that, and sometimes it's great to have a news friend. So I'm just going to give that as a tip. News friends are sometimes really important when you're doing a social media fast. But overall, I would just say about social media, like just welcome to a life of joy, a life of peace. You'll find yourself that you're less depressed, that you go to bed on time, that you wake up with joy. There's so much, but let's just say this. You have got to like have like some sort of accountability on this, and you got to put like blockers on your phone, or you just need to like take the apps off your phone, or you'll go right back to it because you're addicted. Okay? Like it's easy for me because I got like a flip phone. And I have a magic phone. I do have a magic phone, but I don't use it in that way for like social media. Like I'm not on Facebook or Instagram or all those things. So you have to make the choice that like I'm not going to go back. And you're going to find just that you are more in love with humanity, because humanity is awesome. Okay? So hope that is helpful. Join us for Rise Up this Lent. You can text Rise Up to 84576 and join us for daily video content during Lent and during Advent. Please like and subscribe. We like you, like us. God bless you. Have a good Lent.